President George Washington, and of course we're very proud of our history. Tonight, this event, thank you for coming. It was 230 years in the making, right, to bring us to this point. And I know Bishop was delighted to celebrate with us this anniversary. He said it's not every day a parish celebrates its 230th anniversary. And of course we've had a year of celebrations, and tonight we're sort of in the home stretch, and I'm so happy to be celebrating here with all of you. It's a wonderful room of people. We also celebrate our current vitality and look ahead to the future as we are linking the chain of the Basilica of St. Mary Parish. I want to thank some of our host partners who are here tonight that have made this event possible. Adrian and Amir Tehrani, our 1795 founding fathers, partners. Michael and Amy Mills, Elizabeth and Fritz Shuren, Maureen and Michael McKeon, and Marietta Bernot, who are our Regina Shaley, Queen of Heaven host partners. Helen and George Lynch, and Aaron and Jason Thielman, our St. Joseph, patron of the Universal Church, host partners. Bill Beach, our St. Michael, the Archangel host partner. Lee and Brendan Dunn, our saintly host partners. Our Basilica of St. Mary host partners, Bertha Braddock, Mary Beth and Dan Reardon, and Joan Shannon. And allow me also to thank Megan and Andy Ritter for helping to sponsor the beautiful flower arrangements on the tables, and our very own Christine Kleiber for all of her support. As many of you know, fundraise from this special evening will go toward the restoration of our historic stained glass windows, and each one a masterpiece and a beloved work of sacred art that have witnessed to many decades of prayer and worship. The cost associated with the project is approximately $226,000, and the good news is that your generosity, and due to that, we have the funds in hand to do that work, which will happen beginning in the new year. So thank you for that. Another added project that many of us are keen about beginning is a glassed-in vestibule. Currently, there was a vestibule there below the choir loft, which will serve many purposes. And also, some people have asked for a second bathroom. But we'll see what we can do about that. So we're looking forward to making improvements, looking ahead toward the bicentennial, not only of our nation, but in 2027 is the bicentennial of the dedication of our church building. So we'd like to take a look at that again. The way our church was beautifully decorated over the many years.